You guys, welcome back again. It's RJ Colla FX. Yes, guys, I am back. I know it has been so long. I posted, and I'm sorry for that. Been busy, but how have you guys been doing so far? Alright, so if you're new here, you know what to do. You know the vibes. You just hit the subscription button, like button, turn on the notification bell for your boy. Yes. So for today's video, I went to do my clearance at the secretariat. Yes, guys, I went to do my clearance at the secretariat because it is clearance day, right? So everyone was anticipating. So I left the house, went there to sit down and listen to our LGI talk. You see me just checking my cap in the camera, just trying to see if it is fit, if it is okay, if it is all right. You understand? So everyone was just trying to listen patiently to the woman. You understand? She's like a mommy to us. Yeah, everyone is just trying to look patiently. Yeah, I was actually hungry though because they say we should wear crested vex because I want to really finish NYC. So okay, guys, we are done. We're going to take pictures. So I jumped on my friend, some of the friends who are passing out. Yes, guys, very soon they're passing out, so they have to just be happy, so happy to leave their camp. Uh, so that was the thing. That was why they were so damn happy. But I still have some months on in the NYC, so that's it. So I also met some group of people who was trying to do some video editing, capture themselves, record themselves, and stuff like that. Then I also met some men who are working inside the secretariat itself. Then this is my best guy, my best friend in Panshi. Yes, guys, his name is Desmond, right? So I was just trying to have a good view of him. So the guy, I don't even know what he was trying to do. I don't know what he was trying to do at that point, really. As we were going, as I was turning the camera around, I saw this Yoruba guy on money. This guy wants to kill me. The guy wants to give me a laugh. He started dancing and he started laughing because it was so very funny. Very, very funny. Yeah, so we made these people that was shooting content. I had to zoom in and see them like, oh, these guys, they're doing well, they're doing well. Oh yes, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscription button for your boy because it is very much needed. Yes, guys, we went to do a photo shoot. Yes, for our badge because I'm in EP1. Yes, guys. So, guys, this will be the end of the video because I have to go. I didn't really shoot much.